Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you two Trimline telephones, and these are Scott's telephones from Illinois. And he's got a note here, and he says the black telephone, the 2, 3, and 5 buttons squeal when you dial them. And then on the beige telephone, he says that people cannot hear him when he talks to them on the telephone. So this is the initial checkout of these telephones. And what we have here on the black one is there's a splitter. And the reason why there's a splitter is because there's a transformer, and then that transformer plugs into the splitter and in return sends the signal down the other pair of wires that go to the telephone to light up the keypad. And this keypad is the one with the round buttons. And then we also have the beige phone, which is a Western Electric, but they have an AT&T logo on it. They're both Western Electric, basically, if you look at the bottoms of the telephones. And so they're two very cool telephones, and we want to get them repaired for Scott. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot everything out, and we'll go ahead and repair the phones. We'll get some more video as we move forward in the repair and the checkout video. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we decided to work on the beige telephone first. And so we've got the telephone apart now, and what we have here is I can tell somebody's tried to repair this telephone because you can tell that they went ahead and cleaned off the surface of the back of the T1. And so that's all been scraped up and cleaned. And so that's been kind of cleaned up. And they also left the screws out of the bracket that holds the mounting in. So these two screws were missing down here at the transmitter end, and then the only two that were in the telephone were up here by the receiver, and that holds it down in the frame of the telephone. So somebody has also been up in this area doing some work, so they were kind of looking around for the problem. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and troubleshoot into the telephone further, and then we want to go ahead and repair the transmit on this telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these two telephones. What we want to do is our final test. So we'll go ahead and start with the black one, and we'll ring the unit. I'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now we want to dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, we'll walk through our numbers and you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has receive and transmit. We can push this button here on the switch box, and that gives us a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Offenburg Ford, still big in Belleville for nearly 70-plus years. Call 234-0330. Today is Saturday, February 15th. The time is 5:02. Current temperature 36 degrees. Becoming mostly cloudy today, highs around 30. Clearing tonight, chance of a flurry, lows in the mid-20s. Partly cloudy Sunday, a high in the upper 30s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is we want to switch the switch box back, and we'll plug in our beige phone, and we'll do our test on that. We want to ring this unit. I'll let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers again, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It has receive and transmit, and it's dialing out. We'll go ahead and push our button on the switch box, and we'll call a time and temp number like we did before. Give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Shop St. Clair Auto Mall, 4 new car lines and 3 huge pre-owned stores. Highway 50 O'Fallon or online at offenburg.com. Today is Saturday, February 15th. The time is 5:04. Current temperature 36 degrees. Becoming mostly cloudy today, highs around 30. Clearing tonight, chance of a flurry, lows in the mid-20s. Partly cloudy Sunday, a high in the upper 30s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now we'll call another number because the transmit was bad on this telephone, so we'll go ahead and try that. Give you some dial tone.
Thank you for calling Walmart. Welcome to Bubba Walmart. How may I direct your call?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Can you give me the deli?
Sure.
Thank you.
Bakery.
Do you guys have any chickens that got away up there?
Hold on just a second.
Well, I think she went on break, and I don't think she's coming back. So now that we know that these 2 telephones have been repaired, we can return them to Scott, and he can start enjoying these 2 Trimlines. They're really cool telephones, and they're very sought after. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.